Yeah, Arshit. What is your degree?
I am doing MBA in specialization in finance and marketing. It is a
Then,
dual specialization course.
then you must only tell us. Because it is a
Sir, I
subject.
knew, but I am not sure. Like, I will explain you, but I'm not sure I'm right or wrong.
We will see that. Ankur Singh. Ankur Singh cut हो गया. 1 plus Nord. One plus Nord. What is your name? See, many places internet is big problem. What is your name? One
Hello?
plus. One plus. What is
Sir.
your name?
Sir, good evening, sir. It's Biswajita Pani.
अच्छा. Bisipeta Pani.
Biswajita Pani from Indian Overseas Bank, sir.
अच्छा. You are appearing for scale 3.
4, sir. Scale 4.
Why have you come late, madam? Today I told the class will be at 8 o'clock. Just now, 3 people only were there. All the 3 are scale 4.
And that
And
I was traveling, sir. Just now I reached
no problem.
home.
Absolutely no problem for you. I have recorded the conversations and I
Okay,
will
sir.
post that conversation in our YouTube for everybody to see. You can also see now that you have come here.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir. I'm now in home.
You stay with us for some more time. Here are
Yeah,
not much. For example, these children are going for scale 1 post, or some of them may be going for clerical post also. They are all in campus recruitment.
Okay, sir.
They are in campus.
Sir, everyday class will be on 8 o'clock, na, sir?
For
Scale 4.
scale 3 and 4, if all of you can come at 8 o'clock, I don't mind coming, but most of you are working in offices. By the time evening you come, you feel tired, whether you will be willing to participate. If you participate, I don't mind coming. Otherwise, my plan was Saturdays and Sundays. That's what I thought. But if you people can come, then we will have it at 8 o'clock. As it is, I am not busy. I can make myself available from 8 to 8:40 at least every day, so that thereafter 9 o'clock I can take this probationary officer. So you please come. We will have it tomorrow also. I have told them there will be a class wherein you have to study about Basel committee norms. Not only that, you can also study about CTDI magazine given by me from January to April. And
Okay,
for that Basel norms, you can use your own bank material, or I have given one Indian bank material, promotion
I have
material.
our bank material also, I have, sir.
Yeah, whatever it is you have, उसको prepare कर दीजिए, करके आप आ जाइए, ठीक है? Tomorrow
Okay,
you
sir.
can join us at 8 o'clock. Now, I would request you to be here for 10 or 15 more minutes, putting some question to these boys and girls, okay? A few of them will
Okay.
come. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
And now, before that, can you please tell about yourself? आपका बारे में. You are now in
Sir,
which city or which state?
I'm now in Bangalore, sir. I'm
अच्छा,
scale 2 in Indian Overseas Bank.
good.
Mainly, my exposure is relating to retail credit and general banking, sir.
Oh, retail credit and general banking.
General banking.
Good. Now, Arshit and Ankur, do you have any doubts regarding retail banking and retail credit and general banking? Any doubts you are having in your mind? You can ask me, but then now that there is somebody here, we will try to get something from that person also. Any questions?
I have one question about general banking.
Please
Like,
ask.
sir, as you Yes, sir. As usual, bank opening and closing time is 9 to 5 or 9 to 4, whatever it is. But sir, I have to ask what the work they have done, bank employee they done after the closing of the bank, because they stay there and do some work. So I just to ask what they are doing.
Good question. Very good question. Please tell.
Sir, Sir, after the customers, whatever they are giving, suppose RD, fixed deposit or something loan, so whatever the documents they are giving, in the 10 to 4, we are in the process of receiving the things only. If the Delhi needs emergency customer, we'll immediately give. Otherwise, 70% works after they will go very next day we are supposed to give them. So that time we will utilize for processing the work. Suppose loan documents they have given, we'll make a proposal. Or general banking, some fixed deposit or RD, they have given the form, fill up and everything, and we'll check it up and we'll make in the system and entry and pass.
Correct. In your bank, the account opening is done at the branch level or
Yes,
at
sir.
the central level.
In the branch level only.
Oh, then that is okay. In some banks like ICICI and all, they don't do it at branch. They send all
Yes, sir.
the
Their bank, even loan processing also in the centralized level.
yeah, everything is done at centralized level. Yeah, what is your mother tongue?
ODS, sir.
Odia. अच्छा, ठीक है. When did you join IOB?
Sir, 2013, sir.
As a clerk?
No, sir, as officer.
अरे भाई, इतना दिन आपको क्यों स्केल 3 नहीं मिला?
Sir, this time I appeared, I did not get that, cleared that exam.
Oh, exam or interview?
Exam, sir.
Exam itself you could not clear. अच्छा. Oh,
No,
why?
sir.
Some questions were very tough.
Sir, too much competition in our bank, and my preparation was also means not adequate, I think,
Yeah,
because our very much less seat vacancy, and bank is not giving much recruitment.
yeah. And you know your this thing. Say, did you pass out JAB and CIB?
Yes, sir, I cleared JIB and CIB.
Then it should be easy for you if, with slight preparation about the latest changes, for which you know I have showed you the CTDI material. Yeah, I am showing you online now.
Okay, sir.
Maybe you would have seen.
Sir, but my question is, sir, they will for scale for. Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, as it is a scale for cadre, they may ask ready-made candidates like for high value credit exposure and forex, but I don't have that much.
No.
I also
See,
texted you.
I know. Whatever area you are competent of, उसको बारे में आप अच्छा से prepare कर दीजिए.
Like
That
rural means KCC and jewel loan, SHG loan,
yeah,
auto loan.
but you can't say I don't know about other loans. आपने सीखना पड़ेगा. अभी
I
देखिए.
know that
This
small,
is
10 lakh, 50 lakh CC, renewal CC.
see, this is a CTDI magazine. इसमें से आप ये सबको प्रिपेयर कर दीजिएगा. बहुत कुछ whatever रिजर्व बैंक सर्कुलर सेज ये सब इसमें आएगा. इसका बारे में आप प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पर आपको you have questions like this: asset liability management, then case study, then you have a
Case
recollected
study means
question.
they will ask, suppose, interpretation questions.
No, they will not ask this much in detail. They will ask questions like this: when a person dies in state, court will appoint whom? This is general. The maximum project cost allowed under PM EGP for, or they will simply see in interviews, they will not ask like this. They will ask, tell me about PMEGP. Tell me about MSME, CGT, MSE. So you must be able to talk about that. So you please go through this magazines will give you these magazines will give you the latest changes that have come about. You can also be guided by your bank circulars. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Now, would you like to ask some questions to these boys? Anything that comes to your mind? So here, Harshit is MBA finance candidate. And Ankur Singh, what is your degree?
M.Com Finance.
MCOM. Yeah. So whatever comes to your mind, you please ask. You are interviewer now. Please ask.
So if you are coming to the bank, means which area you will like to work? Means retail or advance? Suppose bank people you will join and they will give you the opportunity to sit in general banking, and after 1 week they will change to advance. So which area will feel good, comfortable?
Yeah. Harshit, please answer.
As a fresher, I would like to join in the general banking. First, I will get the exposure how they work and how I can improve in myself, and then I'll go for advancement.
Very good. Ankur?
Sir, as a fresher, I want to join retail banking and try to deal with day-to-day customers because I'm having a better communication skill. So I will like to work in retail banking and deal with day-to-day customers.
Good. Ankur, your interview is on which date? Hello, Ankur.
Hello, 20th May, sir.
20th May. Acha. 1 minute. Here, one candidate joined today. He has come today. Remitted money. I couldn't send her the link also for this. I'm just asking her to join. Just a minute. I think South Indian Bank. Yeah. Yeah. Now I'm here. Yeah. That's okay. Thank you. Any other questions you would like to ask?
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay,
If
sir.
you want, you can stay. Otherwise, you can go. No problem.
Okay, sir. Tomorrow 8 o'clock I'll join, sir.
8 o'clock. Yeah. Welcome.
Okay, sir. Okay. Sunday specially any classes is there? Means Sunday were holiday na, so
Sunday
morning
holiday. No, but Amara, I am staying in Canada.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So I will be able to talk to you in the evenings mostly. Morning
Okay,
to
sir.
हमारा समय नहीं मिलेगा. That is the problem. So
Okay, sir. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you so much. Harshit, you were asking a question to me about the impact of, say, repo rate and inflation. Ankur Singh, can you answer this question? He is asking a question.
Sir,
How repo rate
yes.
changes will affect the inflation?
Sir, repo rate is a monetary tool of RBI, quantitative tool of RBI used to control inflation. When inflation increase, RBI will also increase repo rate to decrease the money supply in the economy. After decreasing the money of after increasing of repo rate, bank rate also bank rate for customers will also increase. That will decrease the money supply in the economy, and that will indirectly that will control inflation.
Yeah. Now, Anaga, you are from which state, Anaga? Anaga, I think our internet is not joined it. Anaga. Yeah. Now, Arshita, could you follow the way he was telling to some extent? Arshit.
That thing I know, sir. That thing I know. I know repo rate is a rate of interest charged by the central bank against they provide loan to the commercial bank, and the purpose is doing like they want to reduce the money circulation in the market. So, sir, I like to ask further. What happened after money circulation is less in the market? People like to deposit more in the bank, and the money circulation is less money in the market. So less money in the market means supply of a demand supply is in increase or decrease. I want to ask in that aspect.
When money supply is when more money supply in the economy, then people are buying more and more, but supply of product will not increase. That why demand will increase. Demand and price has indirect relationship. If people have more money, then people are demanding more and more product, that will increase the price and that will increase inflation. If people don't have money, they will don't demand that much. Inflation will decrease that time.
Yeah, Anaga, you are from which state,
So
which city, please? Anaga?
Yes, sir. I am from Kamikulam, sir. Alappuzha district.
Oh, acha, you are from Kerala only. Acha. Good.
Yeah.
What is the degree you are doing, please?
Sir, I am currently pursuing MCOM, sir, from Alappuzha SD College.
Oh, very good. You are going for officer's post?
Clerk post, sir. Probationary clerk.
Why? Say MCOM students are normally eligible for probationary officer also, na? Why are you going for clerical post? They have come only
Sir?
for clerical post, or
Yeah, sir. Yes, sir. It was campus recruitment. And it was
True.
for the post probationary clerk only.
okay. Did Federal Bank come to your college for officers?
Yes, sir. 2-3 months ago, there was campus recruitment. But I wasn't able to crack the exam.
Oh, acha, you were not able to clear the exam earlier. Doesn't matter. Good. Now these people are going for Federal Bank. Both of them are going for officers post, and Ankur is also MCOM, and the other boy is MBA. Good. Harshita, when the inflation is going above 6%, because the Reserve Bank's monetary policy committee's idea is that the inflation should be plus or minus 2%. That is 4% plus or minus 2. If it exceeds 6%, it is an indication that RBI has to take measures to reduce it. So under those circumstances, RBI will be increasing the repo rate. A repo rate is the rate at which a Reserve Bank of India gives money to commercial banks for short term. And corresponding with the repo rate, the interest rate charged by the banks on their loans also will increase. When that increases, it is expected that the borrowers will borrow less money from banks. When borrowers borrow less money from the banks, so that will result in money circulation coming down. When the money in circulation coming down, automatically the demand for the commodities will come down, and it is expected that inflation also will come down. But whether it really happens like that, don't ask me, because it's all a very difficult question to answer in the sense. I am also not convinced just because interest rate is raised, will the supply come down? Not, because a man who is in need of money, he goes and borrows money from the bank, whether you are charging 2% or 3%. But the theory says like this. Theory says like this, and that is what almost all over the world systems are being adopted. And recently, America also raised its Federal Reserve rate by 0.25%. So that recently, that is within 3 or 4 days back. So we can expect a revision next time when the Monetary Policy Committee is going to meet. You know what happened when Federal Reserve raises the interest rate by 0.25%? The money that is coming to India will come down from other foreign countries. So that will affect the share market. So that again, in order to circumvent that, our government also will be say adjusting the repo rate. It all depends how they are going to do it. We have, this time only they have not revised the month of April. June, I think they will revise it again. But provided when the inflation is more than 6. But right now they are showing inflation at 5.66 only. Okay. That's what it is. Good. Now, any other questions?
Okay, sir. In a nutshell, we can say that yes, sir. In a nutshell, we can say that repo rate has an inverse relation with the inflation, as per the theories.
If why do you want to use inverse, upwards, and all that? Simply say when the repo rate increases, the inflation is expected to come down. But
Okay, sir. Got it.
that will
Okay.
do. But if they want to tease you, they can ask you how it will come down. Then you have to tell the story I told you now.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Got it. Got it.
Yeah, got it. Good. That's right. Now,
Sir,
Anna,
Reserve Bank have
yeah.
yes, sir.
Reserve-
Reserve Bank when did they increase or decrease repo rate, like um on a random day, or they have any
No.
meeting and all?
They will be doing
2
it
months.
in their monetary policy committee meeting
In every 2 months.
every 2 months. See, last time they revised
Okay.
high was in February. It was raised to 6.50. But in the month of April, they retained the same 6.50. Okay. Yeah. So now next revision will be in the month of June 8th or 7th. If the inflation during May goes up above 6%, they will try to increase the repo rate. But I wish they don't do it because already it is on a high level. That's right. Anaga, your interview date has not been finalized, na?
Sir, it is informed that it will be between May 16th and May 26th.
Very good. May 16 and May 26th. Good.
Yes, sir.
Then one thing, Anaga, tomorrow at 6:30 p.m. you please come to this Zoom. I will talk to you about group discussion. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, I will talk to you about group discussion. And if some of you boys want to participate in that, you can come and join. No problem. But this group discussion will not be similar to what you had in Federal Bank. It will be entirely different. They will give a concept, and based on that concept, you have to answer that. And I will tell you how you can prepare for that. And for that, I will send you materials today to your WhatsApp account. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And I will ask you to become a member of a Telegram group. Please join the Telegram group also, so that whenever a meeting time changes and all, I will advise in that.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah, that's right. And I will send you the materials you have to read. And I will send you also some videos that will tell you about federal intro or South Indian Bank intro, whatever it is. Oh, videos you must watch keenly, take down notes, and based on that, prepare for your interviews.
Sure, sir.
Very good. Yeah. Avinash Shinde, you are appearing for which interview? Avinash Shinde, you are appearing for which interview? Avinash. Avinash Shinde.
Hello, sir. Am
You
I
are,
audible now?
yeah, you are appearing for which interview?
So Central Bank.
Acha, acha. Why have you come so late?
Sir, actually, I was traveling at that time, so I missed in between.
No problem. So your class will be again tomorrow at 8 o'clock in the night. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And this is a group of candidates who are going for probationary officer interview with Federal Bank or South Indian Bank. And I don't mind your staying, but what we are discussing here will be basic things about which you are doing. You are working in which bank, Avinash?
Sir, in ICICI Bank.
ICICI in which branch? Jalgaon.
Yeah. Sir, Jalgaon, Maharashtra.
Jalgaon, Maharashtra. Acha, acha, acha. Acha, you came na? You
Yes,
came?
sir. I came. There was some network issue, so I missed the class in between. So I
Acha, acha.
keep
Then,
going on.
yeah. Then it's okay. In fact, I was searching you there, but you were not there because of internet. No problem. So thank you. Now,
Oh, thank
yeah, I was just telling Anaga, who has joined today only. Anaga, please join me at 6:30 p.m. tomorrow for GD instructions. And before you are coming for GD, I will tell you certain guidance about what are the things you have to read and come. Please read them and then come. Okay, Anaga. Tell
Okay,
me.
sir.
So, Anaga, please tell us about yourself.
My name is Anagha, and I am from Kayamkulam, Alappuzha district. I have completed my graduation from Miladi Sharif Memorial College, Kayamkulam. Now I am currently pursuing my post-graduation degree from Sanatana Dharma College, Alappuzha. This is all about me. I'm not prepared.
Yeah.
Sorry.
You have to tell about your likes, about your achievements, about your family and all that. You watch the videos, you will understand. Now, you see, I will ask Harshit to tell about himself. Harshit, please tell about yourself.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, as you know, my name is Harshit. I'm from Mahendragarh, Haryana, where I complete my schooling. Then after I moved to University of Delhi for my undergraduation in Bachelor in Science. And then after I moved to NIT Hamirpur, National Institute of Technology, for my PG program, which is MBA. I have done a specialization in finance and marketing. It is a dual specialization course. And my aggregated percentage is 81.9%. And apart from that, I have also done two internship, one in marketing, one in finance. Finance internship I have done in Brookfield Properties, Gurgaon, in finance and accounts, and marketing internship I have done in IFF, International Flavor and Fragrance. It's a world largest second manufacturers of flavor and fragrance, and I have done. My job role is as a market analyst. And apart from the academics, I am also the vice president of my departmental society, and I am also the key member of uh, Manifesta Group, which is a which is a departmental fest, Manifesta, and I'm also the member of EBSB Club, Ek Bharat Shresh Bharat Club, under which I go to visit the Kerala for 2 weeks under the student exchange program between NIT Hamirpur and NIT Calicut. Yes, that is all about me.
What are your strengths?
Okay, sir. Sir, my strength I know is my honesty is one of my biggest strength, and I'm also a hardworking person.
Mhm. Why should I select you?
Okay, sir. Sir, I have very strong reason you select me is that I have interest in finance. As you know, I'm doing my master's in finance, and before I done bachelor in science. So all the financial knowledge I have gained in the period of 1 or 2 years, and that shows my skill of learning, continuous learning. So I'm the person who can improve, who can learn, and believe in consistency of learning. And yes, sir.
Who is your role model?
Sir, my role model. I love to watch cricket, and my role model is Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Mhm. Now, what do you know about Federal Bank?
Okay, sir. Sir, as Federal Bank is the seventh largest bank in India, and with the market capitalization of 28,000 crores, and it is one of the best one of the best place to work in, and it has also 1300 branches all over India, and headquarter in Alua, Kerala.
Why did you
Yes,
choose
sir.
this MBA, HR and marketing? Huh?
Finance and marketing.
Finance and marketing. Acha, why did you
Yes, sir.
choose both finance and marketing? What was the reason?
Okay, sir. As you know, I have done bachelor in science. At that time, it is the period of COVID when I got to know about the financial knowledge, like financial terms. I got to know about. I used to read newspaper at that time, and I found that Sensex fall this point, Nifty falls this point, rise this point. This happened. This company acquired this. So I got to uh, increase my interest in the financials. So I looking for the options. I'm looking for the option, how can I increase my financial knowledge. What should I do the next step. So as soon as I complete my bachelor, I choose to do MBA, specifically in finance and marketing, because in finance I want to gain my financial knowledge, as well as I love to invest in stocks. So I want to explore all the technical terms, and all the how to read balance sheet, and all how to do fundamental and technical analysis. So on that point I choose a finance, and marketing is for that. I choose marketing to improve my communication skill, to build public relation, to as I was an introvert person before. So as I have noticed, as soon as I joined the MBA, after giving so much of presentations, I improve a lot in my personality.
Very good. Anaga, please talk to me about your bank. Whichever bank you are having account, please talk about that bank branch or bank account or your experience with that bank. Anaga.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have an account in Federal Bank.
Yes.
And-
Which branch?
and Kayangulam branch.
Good. So what is the type
And
of account you are having?
there was there was a time when we can open account through FedBook Selfie, through Fed mobile app.
Acha. Then,
I had taken account through that process.
so what are the documents you have to give for that?
I have given my Aadhaar card and a selfie which was taken through my phone itself.
Hmm.
That's all. I think so.
That is all.
Two,
Acha.
2-3 years back
How did you remit money?
through the Fed mobile app.
Fed mobile app. Through that you can remit. No, from how did you transfer money from some other bank account?
Through Fed mobile app, we can send money with the help of account number.
Using which app did you remit money? Because you are not going to remit in cash, you know. How did you remit money into that account? I am not familiar with that. Tell me.
Well, to be honest, my brother is working in Federal Bank, so he helped me to take that account. So he did most of the things in that.
Please
That's
go.
why I'm not
Please,
promoting all of it.
please go and ask him how did he do it. You must know how the account was opened through. I think he would have transferred from his account to your account.
Sir,
So
I
you
don't
please
remember.
get to know it from him. And your brother is working in Federal Bank as what?
Clerk, sir.
Very good. Then you can talk to him to know about what is banking, what are the functions of clerk, and how they can be helpful for customers, and like that. And you can go to South Indian Bank website, try to know more details about that bank also.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir, I will do.
No. I wanted you to speak in English. That is why I asked these questions. Like, 1 minute, hold on. Please talk to me about computerization of banks. Please talk to me about my village.
Which one
Anaga.
should I say?
Anaga. Anaga. You,
Yes,
but
sir.
first and foremost thing required is confidence. Nalla dagriyama pesano.
Sir, I'm a lot nervous because this is my first interview ever in my life. I haven't attended any interview before.
Malayalam, Tamil தெரியுமா?
No, sir. Only Malayalam and English.
தமிழ் அறியில்ல?
இல்ல, sir.
Vijay TV,
கேட்டா
Vijay cinema
I can
பார்க்கல?
understand, but I don't know how to speak or write.
Vijay cinema பார்க்கறதில்ல?
No, sir. I'm not a much fan of horror movies.
Very good. Then tell about your village. Talk in English. Anyhow, I will talk to you later tomorrow. Tomorrow 6:30 p.m. Come prepared to talk. Just like that. Go on be talking some irrelevant things in correct English. That is
Okay,
what
sir.
is needed. Very good. Nice. Very good. Ankur Singh.
Yes, sir.
Ankur Singh, please talk to me on the computerization of banks.
Computerization of banks. I'm not familiar with that topic.
Harshit,
Yes, sir. Computerization of bank helps a bank um, to store the large amount of data. Traditionally, what the bank follow the rule is like they do very much paperwork, and they have to store there for in a large paperwork in a lot of almiras. So the computerization, of the main impact of computerization in bank is that they the large number of data comes in a very small files in computer. And also the computerization of bank helps banks a lot in their transactions and to reach the customers. So transaction can be happened to by the using of internet nowadays, which is not possible before. So I think that would be the one of the key elements, key factors, advantages of computerization of bank.
Mm. What are the advantages of computerization to customers? What are the advantages of computerization to banks?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. At first I would like to talk about advantages to the customer, which is they are nowadays they are getting faster services and the 24/7 availability transactions and also it is a very it saves the time to the
Mm.
customer and that and some of the advantages to the bank is, as I told you, like the data they can store as much as they can and in electronic mean and
Yeah.
what we can say.
Okay, Anaga. Anaga, please read the screen. Anaga, please read the screen.
Yes, sir. I'm reading.
Read loudly.
Computerization of banks in India began in the 1980s, but it was not until the 1990s that it really took off. The Reserve Bank of India played a crucial role in promoting computerization in banks by providing financial assistance and setting up a committee to oversee the process. The first phase of computerization focused on automating the back office operations of banks, such as accounting, ledger maintenance, and management of customer accounts. The second phase involved the introduction of online banking and other technology-based services such as ATMs, mobile banking, and internet banking. Today, most banks in India are fully computerized and offer a wide range of digital banking services to their customers. This has significantly improved the efficiency and speed of banking operations, reduced paperwork, and enabled customers to access their accounts and conduct transactions from anywhere at any time. However, despite the rapid progress made in computerization, there are still challenges that need to be addressed, such as cybersecurity risk, inadequate IT infrastructure, and the digital divide between urban and rural areas. Nevertheless, the Indian banking sector has come a long way in embracing technology, and it is expected to continue to do so in the years to come.
Good. That's right. I am just giving you this one in the Telegram page.
Okay, sir.
Have you joined Telegram? No.
But I think I am already a member of that group.
Which group? Federal Bank Telegram.
From there, I took this number and everything, contact number and all I took from there.
Which group? Sivan Bombay SBI or Federal Bank group? Federal Bank South Indian Bank interview group.
It's a Federal Bank, South Indian Bank, that group.
Okay, I have posted there. You see that one there. And I am also posting in our paid group. This is how we
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I saw.
Yeah, good. So this is what it is. Just a beginning. So we will continue tomorrow with other things. Thank you so much, Harshit, Ankur. You must read a lot. Prepare very well. Go through current newspaper. Go through current affairs snippets I am giving you. Follow my YouTube channel, whatever posting I am making. Follow Telegram also keenly. Prepare yourself well for your interviews. Best wishes. Thank you. We'll meet tomorrow. I think kitna baje? 9 o'clock. I think we have to meet at 9 only tomorrow. Take care. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.